Okay, so we've got our four dots where we're going to hook or put in our either coat hooks or key hooks. And the problem when you're doing this is trying to get each of these equidistant from each other and centered on this bottom rectangle. Fortunately for us, Inkscape provides us the tool to do it. So first we're going to select our four items and we're going to use the distribute part or distribute, and we're going to select make horizontal gaps between the objects equal, and it's going to use these items, the outside, to set the boundaries, and it'll set the spaces on the middle ones. Now let's go ahead and group those, and we will now select that rectangle we created along with that, and we can do center. So now we have these, uh, each of these are the same distance apart. These are the same distance apart from the edges. It's so much easier than trying to do this by hand because you'll be here for hours, and if they're wrong, the eye will notice that it's wrong. So if you look in lesson 2, it's homework time, and let's just go to import, and we'll go to lesson 2. You will notice there are a whole bunch of SVG images, uh, blades, handles, hilts, and letter openers. So for our homework, it's going to be three-part. I want you to create a word art just stand alone by itself. It can be anything. It can be your name, welcome home, Rick is really cool, whatever just seems to go out and grab you. I also want you to make your own key rack or hat rack. And for fun, I went ahead and got a little creative this time out. I want you all to make letter openers. And that's what all those images are. Now, going back to the key rack, you can use um, anything from lesson 1, and of course, any text you want. Keep it clean. Duh. I know you, Sully. You're going to get you and your potty mouth. Just kidding. Anyhow, so just to give you an idea, and when you do your letter opener, I want you to integrate text in it. So let's go ahead and just have fun with this. There's a whole lot of different things we can do with the objects I've created here. You can get pretty carried away with some of these. If you go through them, here are just some of the blades. Um, don't need the GIF. Here's a few different kind of handles. And the hilts, some really simple ones, some kind of crazy ones, and a couple of plain old letter openers. So you could, for example, let's go ahead and take I'll say a simple one. Okay, let's use that. We'll throw it out here. We will import a hilt. And we'll keep this really simple. and a handle. Cool. So let's go ahead and really quickly assemble our knife using skills that we've learned in lesson 1. So we have that. Rotate this. Zoom out a little bit. The other out. And you notice I said earlier to incorporate text in it. Now we could do something as simple as drawing a circle, drawing another circle, and we will center these together. So anyway, running out of time. So to make a circular frame, oh no, we want that one white. That one black. And you could simply put in a monogram. Drag it in here. Make it fit your needs. We'll group him. We'll take all these objects. We will center them. And voila, you have technically a letter opener. I know you all be more creative than I was. Good luck, and look forward to seeing what you come up with.